Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guess what? I got amazing Jeffree here.
Yay! Friends. I'm so happy.
I'm Steve Jan, founder of Yibu Beauty, and these are my sister. We've been together through thick and thin. Nothing comes between us in our family. Just like our bond, the two new releases of the Mooncast collections, our Hero Serum and Hero Moisturizer, are the super duo. Nothing will come between your skin and the Yibu superpowers.
Okay, and we're done.
We're done, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, did we turn off the camera yet?
Oh no!
Oh no!
Wait! Hi!
So today we're gonna unbox the Jeffreestar mystery box, and this is like our tradition. We did that last year.
We did it the year before. Because then it was COVID.
Oh, there was COVID.
Yeah. So we did it the year before. I still have my mirror that you gave me.
Yay. So we're gonna.
You got like 3 boxes.
This time, well, as you don't know, in case I start my own skincare company, I gotta save money for
you gotta save.
Yeah, so
for
I'm doing one.
And for Disney bags.
And for Disney bag and Disney Pass.
But let's open it up. I'm excited to see what's in it.
Jeffree has 3 different boxes. This is a medium one for $140. Has about 10 items in there.
Ooh.
Not talk shady here, but it didn't sell out.
It didn't sell out?
So if you like this, you can still buy it. I think his Halloween box are the best. It really is the best, yeah.
Okay.
You can
Let's see.
whatever
Yeah. I'm gonna pick this because I love lipsticks, of course.
Oh my god. The book is so pretty.
It's always so pretty. My friend Ginger R from Ginger Cosmetics let me keep the it was like from the money collection. It was all green.
Yes.
And yeah, they're amazing. Oh my god,
So
all the nudes.
cute.
I
All the
love
nudes.
nudes.
And this color, everyone can wear this.
Of course. Nudes are nudes. No, but I love nudes.
Yes.
So beautiful. Yes.
Oh, at the end of the video, we're gonna let you know what I don't want to give away. So you need make sure you watch all the way.
Oh wow!
Don't fast forward.
Or maybe we'll give everything away. Wait for it.
And maybe she'll deliver to your house.
See? He's gonna take a plane because it's international. So
international giveaway.
Take it for you.
I'm
okay,
dying
can
to
I
see
open
this
this?
one. Yes.
Yeah.
And I heard that there's some items here are exclusive. You can even buy it online.
Oh really?
So
oh wow! Like this one?
I think this one.
Oh, this is nice. This looks like a little like shoulder moment. You know, like a shirt
it's
and
cute.
or like a little bat. I think it's a bat.
Yeah, like a
bat.
Halloween bat thing.
Yeah, and this can be for makeup. You can bring it just like a pouch.
And you can buy a bag insert to put a strap on there, like a crossbody.
Oh really? How do you do that? I don't know.
Samorga made that.
Oh wow! Okay, that's cool. I didn't know that.
So it's cute as a. Oh, that looks cute. Oh my god, that matches you.
My hair, my looks.
So we're gonna create a giveaway area, Jeffree area.
No, I might want to give away everything because the followers deserve everything.
You are everything to us.
Watch me open something that I really like, but this.
You did that everything last time.
But this. With the mirrors, I love the mirrors.
Oh, speaking of mirror, I don't see any mirror here.
Wait, hold on. Okay, this is a shirt, a t-shirt.
This is a t-shirt.
Yes.
At least it's a t-shirt. Last time I got this really weird muscle shirt. Everybody was complaining about that.
About the muscle shirt.
Yeah.
Because what if I have fatty arms, which I do, so.
Yeah. No, you don't. You do not look fat.
I have fatty arms, I said. Not looking fat.
Oh, sorry.
Fatty
arms.
That's a t-shirt here. Oh, okay.
This is nice. I really.
Let's see. This feels heavy. I love that. Okay. Open this up. Oh, I have this one. This is a classic. I always love.
2 of this already.
Yeah, I love this because this is the blood sugar palette. This looks like a cassette and brings me back memories.
I don't know
love
what
this
that means. What is cassette?
You don't know? Oh wow, yeah. Yeah, that's not like for the millennials. So I love the packaging. That's one thing I always love and admire from Jeffree, like his packaging.
Package is nice.
Amazing.
It's good quality.
Yeah, you can. Look. It's been years, and I still use mine. And I still have it. So beautiful. Yes, all the reds. It's a must.
All
of them.
Nice.
Yes. So we have that. So we're definitely giving away.
Yes.
This for sure.
Okay,
so far, everything that you're seeing, we're gonna give it away.
Yes.
Okay.
Give away the bag. The bag is really cute.
We're gonna give it away.
Oh darn! I want to edit this out.
No. we're gonna give it. Then we have the Supreme gloss. Oh, I've seen this on his.
You never tried their gloss before?
No, I've tried one of them. I don't know if it's that one. Hold on. Oh no, I haven't tried this one. I have to try the other one that looks like a little like a crown, like it's like this.
The thing, his crown stuff. Yeah,
Like a crown. Yeah, this is nice. Well, you'll get a Supreme gloss.
And
you get a lot. How much is this box?
$140.
Oh wow! And you get the palette, like the whole set of lipsticks. You get a lot. It's
one thing I don't understand, the
Let me
package is
see.
so hard to pull it out.
It's because maybe you have to open the other side. Fine. Oh, but then you would. You. I see. Oh, this one.
This kind of stuff, yeah.
Yeah. I've tried
Perfect
this.
for Halloween.
Perfect. Oh, so
highlighter
nice.
to give it that gothic look.
And
his gloss smells good, right?
They smell. What does it look like?
Ready.
Oh yes, they have smell. Nice.
Smell
I love
nice.
smell. Pretty. Okay. What's next?
Next one is Trap. It's the lipsticks, like a bullet.
Oh wow. Okay, I love those too. I like. Oh wait, I tried to put it back. Oh, this is heavy. It feels nice.
It's
it feels nice.
I think it's one of the reformulated lipstick velvet.
Yeah. And it has like stars all over. I mean, if you're a Jeffree Star fan, you know what exactly we're
And
talking
this detail costs money. People don't realize that.
It does.
Even
now that
the
you own a
box.
skincare.
No, I know. It's like this costs money, that costs money. Freaking sticker costs money.
Yes, a sticker.
And sometimes the box is more expensive than the item.
That's why when something is like really nice, I love to keep it as a collectible.
Yes.
Forever.
So there's 3 items here. I believe this is only at the mystery box.
Oh,
but
yeah.
you can also buy separate at that one. But this is the new launch.
Let me see.
So
this
this
is
the
a
Whirlpool collection.
lip scrub. We're gonna open it from here.
Did anybody also buy Jeffree's mystery box? No, that's no. Oh my god.
Oh, that's a black one. That's for sure you need to. Oh, look, and the lip scrub is black too.
That's pretty. It's only
That's
black and matte finish.
Yeah, beautiful packaging. Always like that's. Yeah,
And
for
matte, to coat the matte on the cap, it takes a really long time because my Mooncast has a matte cap.
Yeah.
To get that take me 6 months just to make the matte look.
Wow.
When you do
so
the
now we
custom
know.
packaging.
Yeah, it makes you have a different appreciation for products, huh?
Yeah.
Like having a.
I was thinking, why does it take 3 months for the cap? It's just a cap. Oh, because the coating.
Yeah. Wait, and I want to see this. What's this? What's
This is the palette, the new one.
Oh, look at the packaging. So I'm gonna try to open Never
Don't
mind.
break it.
I was gonna.
So you're telling me about your nails. I love the nail color.
Oh, yes.
Let's talk about that.
Yeah.
We'll talk about that.
Red nails. Well, I never wear red nails.
Mm-hmm.
But now that I've been doing all my little impersonations for Halloween,
Yes.
all my costumes, I've noticed, because I have to check all the details to do all these Disney characters, and I noticed that all the bad ladies, all the villains, they have red nails. Like the witch from the Evil Queen, she has red nails. Then you have Ursula, she has red nails, and then we just noticed on Maleficent, she also has red nails. So we learned that bad villains, bad has red nails. So you need red nails. And they do. It looks sexy, right?
So if you want to be bad, you need to have a red nail. I wasn't sure. Can I say that on
I
channel?
know. Yeah, we don't know. So, okay.
Oh my god! I totally forgot to turn this on. Everyone, hold please. Genesis put this on me.
Let me see. Oh, he's getting
Put on the second mode. The second mode.
Okay, got it. Second mode's better, right?
Yeah.
The producer says second mode, so.
Yes.
Okay, so
Now break the nail.
There it is. Nice packaging. So this is from the last collection, right? The one that it just launched. Yeah. The one that it just launched. So
kind of inspire his high school, like early year and social media.
Oh, the weirdo. Yes. Oh, again, reds, blacks. I mean,
it's pretty.
It's pretty.
But I don't see it's that special.
It's a nice light package as always, but I always love to collect the ones that are like this, like the like a little trunk. I don't know. I think like of Louis Vuitton when I see it, like but in makeup.
Yes.
You know. So yeah, those are my favorite ones. And what's that?
So there's something's coming called Jeffree's
Jeffree Star Skin.
He's gonna
After
years of formulation, testing, skin hairline. Oh, it's coming soon.
It's coming. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Of course, nothing better than Yibu Beauty, but.
Yeah. No, it's all skincare is good. Speaking about Yibu Beauty, besides this giveaway, check out Giuseppe's Instagram. We are offering one of the biggest Halloween giveaway on her Instagram right now. If you are a Disney fan, you like launch fly backpack, you have to check. Can we show them the bag real quick?
Of course. Bring it.
Have a seat, Queen.
Thank you.
Check it out.
Yeah, you need to get, but this is one of the prices and ta-da!
Sold out everywhere.
Yes.
The Jack Launcher Fly Backpack.
It's so beautiful. this is a classical. This is a classic. You need this backpack. It's so cute. Oh, I love Jack, and that's why we're wearing our Jack.
That's why we're wearing Jack.
Of
Oh, we need thumbnail. Okay. So check out the Instagram.
Should we do another thumbnail?
Yeah, we need another thumbnail. So.
Awesome. Now that we have that.
That won't be like BTS.
I know. Okay, guys, so go check this on my Instagram. It's gonna be until Friday.
Yeah.
So go check it out. Participate. When is this video coming out?
Tonight.
Oh, beautiful.
I'm gonna go home and edit this video.
Yes, amazing. Okay, guys. Yeah, that's all I have to say. I love, in general, I think you get a lot for $150.
Yes.
Just the fact that you get all these lipsticks that I love.
I'm
and then
really
you get
loving
extra.
this though.
I know.
So we're giving the whole thing?
No.
The whole
Give it
thing?
away, the whole
Okay,
thing.
whole thing.
We're gonna be nice people. We're gonna do the right thing, which is the whole
The
thing.
whole thing.
Okay,
The
so
whole
you better
thing.
participate on this one.
You better participate. Not this
But
one. This is a different giveaway.
participate. No, this is a different one.
Different giveaway. Thank you so much for watching my video daily, and make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel here. She's already famous. I'll put her stuff down there. We know who she is.
Oh, this is
Honey, thank you so much.
No,
And thank you so much for supporting my brand, Yibu Beauty.
Always, I'll be here. Always supporting. Yes.
Okay, bye.
Bye.